Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving another LeetCode problem, that is LC2090 K radius Subarray averages. First, I would highly recommend you should read the problem statement. Why? Because to get the why why are you watching this video, and in order to understand why you are not getting the intuition, and to get the real significance of why, to answer your why, to get the why you are watching this video. So in order to get your why, please read the problem statement, and I hope you have read the problem statement. Let's discuss what problem is trying to tell. So we are given a k. Basically we have averages. You know average, how to get the average, all divided by number of all. That's it. But we need k radius averages. K radius, how he defined the k radius? K radius is something at the something this point, and we have plus k this here, minus k, or we can even say plus k this side also. If you draw this, if you draw this, you can get the intuition. If you draw this on your paper, you can get the intuition. First, let's summarize what problem is asking. You need to get the averages. How? In this manner. This is the point along which there is k distance this side, k distance this side, and you need to find the average of this condition. This condition, you are given the k. So, and you have to return the distances in an array, and also when there is no index like that where this plus minus k and plus k happens, you have to have -1 over there. So I hope problem is very much clear. I I would again repeat it. You have to find averages. What is the condition of finding averages? Index where you can have plus k and minus k, and if you are not able to have this condition, store -1 at that index. Okay, let's also, did you get the intuition? Plus k minus k, this is fixed. Still not getting the intuition. Think guys. Let's window. Can you see a window? Yeah, you can see a window. Fixed. Window is fixed. Then what? Answer me guys, then what? Yes, sliding window. If you draw this, you can get this. You can get this thing, this algorithm going. So let's take an example. What we are talking: 7 4 3 9 1 8 5 2 6. Let's see on this how we are gonna apply this sliding window. 7 till now. And also there is one more thing, you need sum. So you know guys, if you are watching my videos, you know when there is sum, then there has to be prefix sum. Why? You know it guys. If you still don't know, so keep watching my channel, that's why I'm making videos. So let's get back to where were we. So At this position, our prefix sum is, I'm not leaving that thing, you will get it over here, is 7. This condition is still not true. Just have a minus 1. 7 plus 4, it's 11. It's 11. Index is still minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. At 1, still it's minus 1 because we are not having this condition of plus k minus k. And k in this question is given is 3. Again, at 3, 14, but still minus 1. At 2, now something can happen. Up till now we were not having k, but can you see on this index k minus 3 minus k, k is 3, 0. We have the index. We have the index and we also have the sum. We also have the sum. But if you carefully see what is the window size, it's k plus k and 1. So window size is 2k plus 1 into. So still we have to increase our window size. Window size is increased. Window size is increased. Now we are on 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 25. We have to go to k plus 1. K plus 1, 7. Window size in this case is this 7 and 10, 25. Again 8. How much it will be? 8, 8. It's 5, 30 and 4, not 3, 33 and 5. It's done. It's 5 and it's 38. I guess it should be correct. 38. How many? 7. But you were saying at this index, but how we will manage at this index? You can manage at this index because 6 minus k, where will you reach? 3. It's simple. It is simple, I guess. At 6 minus k, you will reach 3. 7 elements are there. It will be around 5, 5-ish, 5-ish, 5 something. It's integer. We will have 5. Now we have our size up to where we have calculated. It was here. Now we will shift our window. Now our window size is 7. Now we have to just shift our window without decreasing size, and we will just minus this and plus this in the prefix sum. So minus 7, it's 31, and plus 2, it's 33, and still divided by 7, what it will be? What it will be? And also 7 minus 3, where will be? 4, at fourth index. Fourth index, it's 4 4 times. It will be around 4 times. Again, 33 minus 4, it's 30, 29. plus 8. What it will be? It's 30 and 37, I guess. Sorry. It was 2, it was 6. Those are index. Sorry. 6, 6. There will be 6. Sorry. 6. 6. 35. That is 5. Hmm. There we did something wrong. We did plus 2 was 28. 34. It's 34 minus 4. It's 29. 29 plus 6. It's 35 only. Where went wrong? Where we went wrong? It's 29 plus 6, 35. It's 5. In all the other places, it will be minus 1, 5, 6, 7. So there will be a 8 because they are not k size 2k plus 1 size window. Why we are getting 5 over here? It is not matching with our answer till now. 10, 14, 23, 23. It's 9, 24, 32, 32, and it's 37. Where this is where I guess I made mistake. 37. It's then it will be 537. 37. 37 minus 30. It's 30 plus 2, 32. 7. We get 4 again. This time minus 4, 2, 2, 30 and 28. 28 plus 6. It's 34. Now we are getting 34 by 7. 34 by 7. It's 4. It's 4. And we are matching with our test case. Here you can see there is 4. Hope you guys see my struggle, my real struggle over here. All shit happens. Shit happens. But I will not cut this part from the video because it is important. That's how you make mistake, get over it. So what is the algo? Algo is the algo first maintain a prefix sum till 2k plus 1 size window doesn't occur. Then at index, at wherever index this happens, at for example at j this happens, j minus k, store the prefix sum divided by 7, and do this till 2k plus 1 windows are there, and then again put -1 -1 -1 at the other places. This will happen before 2k plus 1 size window and after 2k plus 1 size window. Hope you get the solution. I maybe stretched it a little long because of this error. I just got excited and made some error. Nonetheless, let's see the code. Just normal long because some can get it's 10 to the power 5 can hit long vector answer. To store our answer, we already stored -1 everywhere. It will be easy. If n is less than length, what is length? Length of our window, okay, plus 1. If n is smaller than that, then we cannot have any even one k size window. Basic loop, basic loop, prefix sum. If I minus length is greater than or equal to 0. What is this? This is this condition will occur this condition will occur when we have this size of window, this size 2k plus 1, and we just shift it, so that's why we have to minus this. So that's what we are doing over here. We are just subtracting it, and what is happening over here, if now it is the index at which you see, if size is 7, the index will be 6 when this condition will be satisfied. So that's why length -1. You can see over here the first time when the condition met, at which index we were 6, at index 6. So that's why at index 6 I wrote that over here. When index is that, I minus k already discussed. What is I minus k? Stored sum by length. Length is always 2k plus 1, and return our answer, our vector. I hope you enjoyed the solution. Let's submit it and see for yourself if it is running or not. So it is running. I made a little long video. It shouldn't be a short one. It should be, sorry. It should be a short one, but still, keep grinding, guys. Keep grinding, because I am also grinding. Also, I'm not good at spelling. Bear with me. Keep grinding. Bye bye. See you.